Ever imagined yourself as the director of a real anime film?
Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn any idea into a cinematic anime video using just one powerful tool. Welcome back to the new AI Lab. The tool is Tomoviee.ai, but it's not just a tool, it's a complete creative studio. It combines everything you need into one place. And the best part is, you get free credits just for signing up to try out all of its amazing features. Let's get creative. We're going to use the text-to-video feature. I'll just type in a simple prompt like a futuristic city in the style of anime with flying cars. Now, what makes Tomoviee.ai so unique is its camera controls. I can tell it exactly how I want the shot to look. Let's choose a pan right and a zoom in and see what we get. You can also use the image to video feature to turn a static image into a moving scene. It's like magic! And we've only scratched the surface. This tool isn't just for videos. It's also an incredible image generator, an AI music generator, and it even creates sound effects. It truly makes it a complete lab for all your creative needs. All of this is what you can do with just the free credits.
This is a game changer. We're not just using tools, we're using a smart strategy to create endless possibilities. In our next videos, we'll dive into even more secret tricks and cool tools.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video to stay updated with our latest experiments. See you in the next one.